How to use PinaLove dating app. So first, once you log in with your account, type in your username and then add a profile photo. The profile photo should have your face in it, clearly shown. Now select your date of birth. Make sure you're at least accurate with the year, and then select your height. After you select your height, select your weight, and then click continue and agree. You don't need to enable location, but if you don't, then you need to type in where you're from or where you're at currently. Then select your country. There you go, and then tap continue. Here type in your profile headline and description. This is the first thing that people will see once they open your profile. So the profile headline can be something short, while the description can be something much longer. And then complete the sign up. You can allow the app to send you notifications. And then here, the first tab that you see, you can hide or like the people, as I'm doing right now. Hopefully we get a match so I can show you how to text. Here on the second tab, you basically have swipe right or swipe left. And here we got a match, so make sure you go to the fourth option down below and then click the message icon to message whoever you matched with. After you've done that, you can send a message, and there you go. Now when it comes to your profile, you can edit your details here. Now you're already typed in your height and weight. You can also type in your language, your education, children for something more serious, and stuff like that. You can add multiple photos. And then at the last tab, you can preview your own profile so you can see what people see when they open your profile. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.